Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Renu from Balbharti with a new video of MCQ. Let's start our new chapter, migration. First question is, what is number of languages recognized in India? The right answer is 18. Now next question, which is dominant religion in India? The right answer is Hinduism. Now next question, the state with greatest concentration of Buddhist and Jain in India? The right answer is Maharashtra. Now next question, what is the ethnic division of population in India in ancient time? The right answer is Varnas. Now next question, what is the total number of caste falling in scheduled caste group of population in India? The right answer is 542. Now next question, the criteria on the basis of which states were recognized in India after independence? The right answer is languages. Now next question, what is the script of Hindi language? The right answer is Devanagari. Now next question, what is the oldest religion of the world? The right answer is Hinduism. Now next question, in terms of followers, what is the second most important religion in India? The right answer is Islam. Now next question, which state has largest number of Muslims population in India? The right answer is UP. Now next question, which state has largest concentration of Christians in India? The right answer is Kerala. Now next question, the second most commonly spoken language in India? The right answer is Bengali. Now next question, which state has maximum migrants? The right answer is Maharashtra. Now next question, which state has maximum immigrants? The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. You can take a screenshot. Next question, which is not a push factor? The right answer is entertainment. Now next question, how many migrants are in India on the basis of last census? The right answer is 31.5 crore. Now next question, how many people have migrated to India from neighboring countries? The right answer is 50 lakhs. Now next question, what is the reason of migration from India to Middle East? The right answer is increase in oil. Now next question, from which country maximum migrants has take place? The right answer is Bangladesh. Now next question, how many percent women migrate after marriage? The right answer is 65. Now next question, the census of migration are known as? The right answer is push and pull factors. Now next question, what work has done by Indian migrant in West Indies? The right answer is plantation farming. You can take a screenshot. Yes, question number 18. Answer is increase in oil. Yes, now next question. Which one of the following stream is dominated by male migrant in India? The right answer is rural to urban. Now next question. Which one of the following urban agglomeration has the highest start in migrant population? The right answer is Mumbai, UA. Now next question. The migrant in India 2001 census are? The right answer is 30.7 crore. Now next question. How much remittances does India receive from international migrants? The right answer is $11 billion. Now next question. To which countries Indian traders migrate? The right answer is Malaysia and Singapore. Now next question. Which information have been added in census? The right answer is place of birth, place of residence, both. Now next question. How many ways are there of Indian diaspora at 3 different times in history of India? The right answer is First wave, second wave, third wave, all of these. Now next question. On which basis the census of India migration is enumerated? The right answer is both. Now next question. How many stream of migration? The right answer is 4. Now next question. Which of the following cities who receive highest number of migrants? The right answer is Mumbai. Now next question. Do you know the legislation for migrant in Europe, USA and Australia? The right answer is yes. Now next question. What are the census of migration? The right answer is all. Now next question. When was the first time migration recorded in census of India? The right answer is 1881. Now next question. When was the first major modification introduced in census by bringing into additional components place of birth and duration of residence? The right answer is 1961. You can take a screenshot. Yes, next question. Which of the following is the social consequences of migration? The right answer is intermixing of people from diverse culture. Now next question. Which of the following is not an environmental consequences of migration? The right answer is change in sex ratio. Now next question. Which of the following information was added in 1981 census? The right answer is reason for migration. Now next question. As per 2011 census, how many people have migrated to India from other? The right answer is more than 5 million persons. You can take screenshot. Yes, now next question. Which are the major source of exchange from international migrant? The right answer is remittances. Now next question. Which state in India face imbalance due to high out of migration? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Now next question. Which state in India sent out the largest number of out migrants? The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Now next question. In which year migration data was modified to induce place of birth and duration of residence? The right answer is 1961. Now next question. What has made Indian dice forms most powerful in the world after liberalization? The right answer is both education and knowledge. Now next question. In which country is mostly Indian have migrated? Answer is all. Now next question. Which country is the top receiver of remittances from abroad according to World Bank Migration and Remittances Facebook 2008? The right answer is India. Now next question. Which factor act as magnet for the migrant populations? The right answer is pull factor. Now next question. From which country, neighboring countries, India receive less migrants? The right answer is Bhutan and Afghanistan. Now next question. Why do people migrate in large number from rural to urban area in India? The right answer is all. Due to poverty, high population and education. Now next question. What are the reasons of population explosion in India? The right answer is all. Economic factors, social factors and political factors. Now next question. In Mumbai agglomeration, the number of migrants in highest why? The right answer is largest town. You can take a screenshot. I hope you understand these questions. Please like and subscribe the video. Till then, bye and take care.